Okay, so you all can turn on your video once. Let me check whether you are all there in uniform or not. Turn on your video, children, every one of you.
Ma'am, using PC, ma'am.
Everyone is not using PC, no? So turn on your videos. Yes, ma, turn on your video. Good, Akila. Looking so fresh. Yes. Dhruv Anchan, very good. Yeah, अभी मुझे थोड़ा पता चल रहा है कि yeah, this is Akila, this is okay. So because you have sent me all your photographs, na? Good. So now turn, others also turn on your video. Ayush, Aditya Kashyap, Akash, Akila turned on. Akshat, Akshit, Aman, Anish, Anirudh.
Ma'am, I'm using PC, ma'am.
Okay, Anirudh, Anu, Harsh, Yashwan, Manasa Varshini, Manshinder Singh, Satish, Mayank, Nikhil Prasad Kushwaha. Very good. Niklesh Chandrasekhar. All of you turn on your video. Rachita, Rudransh, Sahil. Sahil, why he is on hold? Satish, Sayandas, Shivam, Simran, Tanya, Viraz. Mohit is not responding. Someone ping him. Okay. So now let's proceed to our discussion from the beginning of the Python. Today I'll be revising once again so that you should not feel that this point is not covered like that. Okay. So Python is a general purpose high level language developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991, used for software development, web development, server side, system scripting, mathematics. And it is easy to use, interpreted language, cross-platform language, that is Linux, Macintosh, even you are working on your mobile, isn't it? Android OS. Expressive language, that is less code to be written as itself express the purpose of the code. Then its completeness, then free and open source, right? Free of cost, and it is open source, that is source code is also available. Okay, and it is what are the shortcomings? Because it is interpreted language, no, every line is interpreted. So when the code is too large, no, it will be very slow. Okay, so it is known as a slow language. Okay, lesser libraries as compared to Java, C++ and all, it is having lesser libraries. It is weak on type binding. That is, हमने जो भी string देते हैं उसको integer में convert करते हैं, integer को list में convert कर सकते हैं, list में like that. From one variable to another data type we can change easily. Okay, so that is weak on type binding. Then what are the steps of installing Python? Download Python distribution, Python installation, you click next. But when you are clicking on next, this should be very, very careful, children. This add Python to path. Okay, add Python to path. This should be ticked. Okay, this checked. It is very, very important. Now, so then once you are successful, then you can see your Python idle screen, right? So you can use either Python 3.7 or Python 3.8, but don't use 3.6. There are so many changes from 3.6 version to 3.7 version. The way the expression is evaluated, same expression if you evaluate in 3.6, you will get some difference from the 3.7, that is floating point values and all. Okay, children. So this is just introduction to Python, how to install and all. Okay, ma'am. So getting started with Python. Next, we had basics on Python programming. Yes, we were discussing about in this only. We have come to keywords, literals over, right? We had come to operators, arithmetic operators over, and then we had finished our calculations of simple interest, our area of a triangle kind of, or then we have done some comparisons also, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. Yes or no? Grade calculation we have done in the previous class. Then augmented assignment operator. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Some students are waiting in the lobby.
Okay, now let's proceed. So augmented assignment also we discussed. Augmented means equal to k aage. Now that is on the left side of equal to symbol. That is assignment operator. So plus डाला तो x equal to x plus whatever we are doing. Like a plus equal to b मतलब क्या है? A equal to a plus b. Right side expression is evaluated first and then assigned to left side variable. Okay, right side expression is evaluated first and then that value is referred to by a variable, that is object name on the left side in Python. Okay, so that way with all the arithmetic operators we can have the augmented assignment. And then we have a logical operator. See, जैसे कि आपने calculation करना चाहते हैं कि grade A, so that is only one condition greater than 90. If grade B less than 90 and greater than or equal to 75. So both conditions are there. When these two are true, then only do that. Okay, that is and. Or means either one of them is true. In that options, if one of them is true, then proceed for that block to be executed. Not, if this is not true, then do this. Okay, ma? So not is a NOT not we can use. And what or NOT not are the logical operators. Okay, so then membership operators in, not in. In is like, we have a set of values. Okay, so that is sequence of values in this list. See, for example, x value a equal to 22. A is in this list or not? Is A present in this list? Yes or no?
Yes.
Ayush? Yes, very good. So A belongs to this list, yes. So then that is in will result in true. If A not in list, so that is A value is 22. So that answer is false. Got it? So now identity operator. Identity is, see, A is B. Both are same, identity, same, identical. Okay. So A is B, A is not B. If both of them are having the same value, then it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Okay. So otherwise, see, India, either this is small, all small letters only. Okay, everything is same. Then string 1 is str2. str1 is str2 will result in true. For example, if you have str1 is Japan versus India. So when you are checking str1 is str2, it will result in false. Okay, right. So now whenever we evaluate something, okay children, whenever we evaluate some expression, we have to follow certain precedence. That precedence is priority. Which one to be executed? Which one to be evaluated first? जैसे कि आपने मैथ्स में बॉडमास रूल पढ़ा है ना, ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर पहले करते हैं. Similar to that. Okay. So first precedence will be, that is precedence is used to decide which operator to be taken first for evaluation when two or more operators comes in an expression. Okay, so we have exponentiation, that is raised to the power. Then we have complement, the tilde operator is complement. Then addition, subtraction. See, these are all having equal precedence. Okay, एक रो में जो भी दिया ना, they are all having equal precedence. मतलब C A plus B minus C plus D दिया तो लेफ्ट साइड से शुरू करके जो भी पहले आ गया उसको पहले करेंगे. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया सबको? Got it, children? So like next in the expression, if we have one star, that is multiplication, one division, one modulus, one floor division is there. So then we have to evaluate from left to right. Okay, so then if we have plus minus, addition, subtraction, they both have the equal precedence. So we can evaluate from left to right. Then right shift and left shift, bitwise right shift and bitwise left shift. That is also both of them. See, from top to bottom, this is the highest priority. Then these are the next priority. Then these are the next priority. This is unary plus and unary minus, children. Okay, unary operators will take over binary operator. That means unary operators have higher precedence, higher priority than binary. Okay, man. So then bitwise, then comes after binary comes the bitwise operators. Okay, after bitwise only comparison takes place. After comparisons only equality operators. So this is not equal to, double equal to is equal to, not equal to, this way also can write. Then augmented assignment operators. Then is not, identity operator. Then comes membership. Then comes logical operators. Finally logical. Okay, children. So now see, punctuators and delimiters. Other type of tokens are like these are all the punctuators: single quotes, double quotes, hashtags, reverse slash, parentheses, square brackets, braces, iterate symbol. Okay, augmented assignment operator. These are all whatever. These are all the punctuators. Then now let us come to bare bone of a Python program. Bare bone means a skeleton. Okay, skeleton of a Python program. Skeleton से आपको पता चल जाता है ना? Yeah, this should be here. This should be here. Yes, like that way. Bare bone of a Python program. See, for example, here first we have written a comment. It is not compulsory comments, but if you write now, it will give you a meaningful expression for user to understand. Okay, then def is used to write a function definition. Function definition. Okay, ma'am. So this entire thing def ke andar, see, this is the def, right? That is the heading, and this is the body, right? So this block. Okay, so this entire thing is function. So for anything after colon, this block is very important. That is indentation. This gap is known as indentation. Okay, then we have started our execution. So here what are we doing? A equal to 20, some variable. यहाँ से execution शुरू होता है. याद रखना, ठीक है? And then, so whatever the statements we have written, all these statements will be executed. But print ke baad key argument. So what will happen with these values? These values are the actual original values substituted in place of these variables of the function. Okay, like आपने maths में किया होगा ना, f circle g circle h of x, right? F of g of like that you have done. No, so these values will be substituted in place of these variables, and this function is evaluated, and the result will be taken back to the function from where it is called. Okay, so from to this statement, then continue like this. That way, that program will be executed. See, for example, I will show you here. Are you all watching, children? Yeah, let me open my idle screen. Idle is I have already opened and kept. So infinite loop 9. Now I am going to show you bare bones of a Python program. Okay, so bare bones of a Python program में पहले क्या करेंगे? This is what is this comment. Then we are writing a definition of a function. Okay, so function x. So it should return suppose x square, x multiplied by or x to the power of 2. Okay, so right. So now what I want to do is enter a number. So a is equal to int, input a number. Enter a number. Okay. Okay, ma'am. So now a का square आना चाहिए. So print. Okay, what should I do? Fun of a. Okay. So now what it will display? You see. Functions. Okay. Now let me execute and show you. Now enter number 5. 5 square आ गया? आ गई समझ में? So this way, now definition को बार-बार हम while loop में नहीं डालते हैं. This only we will write into. These are the steps to be executed repeatedly till I give a break. Okay. So s equal to yeah, input, enter, end to stop. Okay, so if s not equal to end. देन क्या करेंगे, कंटिन्यू करेंगे, कंटिन्यू. अदरवाइज क्या करेंगे, else what should we do? Break is also a keyword and continue is also a keyword, children. So now what will happen, you see, now what happened, input. Now you can see enter number 3 I have entered. Enter end to stop. I haven't entered and some j I entered. So enter another number 7. Okay, enter some k I entered. Okay. So now 67. So now you got the output. Yes or no? Just I haven't entered 7, 18. Okay. So now end. Then what happened? You see, break. Okay. So that way also you can write, children. If it is not equal to end, if you have not written like this also, it will continue in the previous program how I have shown. That way also you can write. Otherwise, you can write it like this. If not equal to end, continue. Continue means it will come back to the while loop and continue the next iteration. Okay, children. So now, yeah, let's proceed. So that is how the program execution takes place. See, this definition is like a formula. This formula, so fun ये, so fun का formula, इसमें ये value substitute करो x के जगह पे. So ये a to the power of 2 is returned. Okay, so a square is returned. That value, whatever the evaluated result is coming, no, that value to be displayed. Any doubt here? Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I didn't understand that apostrophe.
Where apostrophe not equal to girl?
Ma'am, in the program it was there, no, ma'am.
This one, na?
Yes, ma'am.
This is not equal to.
Okay.
Equal to के लिए double equal to डालते हैं ना बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
This apostrophe is not equal to.
Okay, ma'am.
Not equal to. Got it? आगे समझ में सबको? इतना तो समझ में आ गया ना? अकीला, शिवम, ठीक है? So now let's proceed. Let's proceed to yes. So then in that program, now if you look at this same program, what and all we have, def is the keyword, fun is the name of the function. Then we have parenthesis, that is the punctuator. Colon is also punctuator operator. Then return is a keyword. Then a equal to is assignment operator. Then int is a function, that is we are converting whatever this is there, whatever input is given. So then input function. Okay ma? So print function. These are all built-in functions. इसलिए purple color में आ रहा है. But fun is we have defined. Okay, fun is a function defined by the user. Got it, children? So like this, these are all the keywords. These orange color things are there. No, these are all the keywords. So like that, you can divide the program into expression, statement, comments, function, blocks, and indentation. So expression means what? Any arithmetic expression, it will result into, it will be evaluated and produces a single result. Okay. Statement is a equal to 20, assignment statement, print statement. Okay. So then comments, which is readable for programmer but ignored by the interpreter. So we have single line comment which starts with a hashtag. Okay. Suppose if you don't want to write this from here to here. Okay. So then what did I do? I have used 3 single quotes, 3 double quotes also you can use. So this is multi-line command, not the one line. From here to here, this is not processed by. So then what will happen? Infinite loop हो जाएगा फिर. Break नहीं डाला है ना. So though we can see, but that is ignored by. Okay. So it will continue forever. Even end if I enter also, see it is asking or not. Because this was ignored by the interpreter. आ गई समझ में? So इसीलिए ये multi-line comment हो जाएगा. If you want it to be processed, ये multi-line comment को आपको हटाना है, ठीक है? तभी आपका प्रॉपर एग्जीक्यूशन हो जाएगा। C5 एंड किया तो खत्म हो गया, लेकिन पहले तो खत्म नहीं हुआ, फिर नंबर पूछ रहा है ना। So like that you should be writing as per your requirement. Function is sub program or fragment of code. Okay, block and indentation is group of statements at the same level, same margin में होता है ना, so that is a block. Is it clear to everyone? Next, what is a variable? Name given to a memory location. Got it children? ये जो भी हम लिख रहे हैं ना, वो सब मेमोरी में एक लोकेशन में, एक बॉक्स में स्टोर होता है कि नहीं? Those values are stored, no? वो स्टोर लोकेशन को हमने जस्ट लेबल्स डालते हैं ना कभी कभार, सो वैसे ही हम ना इधर ये बॉक्स को, या ये तो कंप्यूटर लैब है, ये तो फिजिक्स लैब है, ऐसे नाम डाला है ना, वैसे ही दिस स्टेटमेंट, दिस वैल्यू इज गिवन ए नेम, दिस वैल्यू इज स्टोर्ड इन अ मेमोरी and that value is given a name. None is also a value, we discussed in the previous class, right? So this expression, that result will be stored in a memory location and that can be retrieved through this name. आगे समझ में? So when you are having variables children, there are two types of variables. One is global variable, another one is local variable. Global variable is throughout the program it is accessible, right? So definition of the function, ये function के अंदर भी access होगा by x value, ठीक है? But ये local variable मतलब क्या है? Within this only the scope. For example, मैं ना अपना क्लास में आयुष को बुला रहे, ठीक है? Then who will respond? Our class आयुष only will respond और दूसरा क्लास का आयुष respond करेगा? Who will respond? Who will respond if I call Ayush?
I will respond.
Children. हमारे क्लास का आयुष ही respond करेगा ना? Suppose if I am announcing in the assembly mic, okay, Ayush, then how many Ayush will come out? Not only 11th C, isn't it? There are so many people in 11th A also one Ayush is there. Even in the primary also there will be one more Ayush. Got it? So that way, that is global. Globally जब बुलाते हैं ना, so it can be called everywhere. But local means within the class, within that particular group only. So within this function only. इसको see for example, function का ऐसे लिखा तो आएगा, because that function is not aware of what is, function only is aware of what is x, ठीक है? So function के अंदर हम प्रिंट कर रहे हैं, बाद में क्या हुआ, फंक्शन खत्म होने के बाद हम ना फंक्शन को बुलाए, इधर प्रिंट कर रहे हैं, तो इधर जब प्रिंट कर रहे हैं ना, so interpreter cannot find out what is that. See what is name of say print text, line 6 में print text, not the line 2 वाला. See it is 1 2 3 4th line, this is space, 5th line, 6th line में extra line है. So this is not defined because x is only, see Ayush is, suppose Akila is in 11th C, okay beta, so now Akila is in 11th C, 11th B में जाके मैं अकेला करके बुलाऊंगी तो अकेला कौन है उधर? कोई नहीं है, तो तब कौन रेस्पॉन्ड करेगा? No one will respond, isn't it? No one will respond, isn't it? So that way then Akila is an there, no one is Akila, so error. So here we have come out of this function, now we are trying to access that x, it is no more available, it is dead. Okay, it is no more accessible. That is the vicinity, the location where you can access that variable is known as its scope. Scope children, scope. Okay, what is the scope? Scope of your variable is the location where you can access within the program, where you can access that variable is known as its scope. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? So now what is the location, like where you can access x in this program?
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in that you have written function A.
Here,
Print function A, but there it was function F. That def function X was there.
okay, so yeah, that's what. Okay, let me mark X here. Now, what will be the error in this code, children? Find out.
Ma'am, the X is not defined.
Yeah, correct. From here to here, X is no more. Okay. So whatever input I have given for this A value, I want to find out square. So this is like a formula, ma'am. A plus B whole square आप डालते हैं ना. So वो A plus B whole square की जगह पे अब जो भी values देते हैं, that value is A. That should be substituted. आगे समझ में? ठीक है. So this A is the actual parameter. पैरामीटर को बोलते हैं आर्गुमेंट भी बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है. एक्चुअल आर्गुमेंट. आर्गुमेंट मतलब फंक्शन के ब्रैकेट में जो भी डालते हैं ना उसको आर्गुमेंट्स बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सो हियर व्हाट इज x हियर? x इज फॉर्मूला, नो, फॉर्मल पैरामीटर. Okay, x is the formal parameter, a is the actual parameter. So a का value जो भी आएगा, that will be substituted in place of x. समझ में आ रहा है? So now, what is the area where x is accessible? X is accessible only within the definition of function fun. Okay, so but a is accessible within the while loop, and s is accessible within the while loop. S is accessible within the while loop. This much block only it is accessible. आगे समझ में? So that is known as its scope, local variable and global variable. Global variable is accessed. See for example हमने इधर x का नहीं तो a का इसमें. So here instead of x writing here, so here what I have done, x equal to int इनपुट इधर ही ले रहे हैं. ठीक है. सो इनपुट एंटर ए नंबर. नाउ इसके बाद हम फंक्शन के अंदर x डाला है. सो नाउ हियर नो नीड ऑफ राइटिंग दिस वन. सो वही x का हम ना इधर फंक्शन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के लिए कॉल करेंगे, तब एक्सिक्यूट हो जाएगा. देखो एंटर ए नंबर 50, enter a number 54 I have entered. आगे so end to stop हो गया. आगे समझ में? So now x is accessible everywhere because x is defined outside the function. So this is global. समझ में आ रहे हैं? Suppose if here I write a, what do you mean by a? It does not understand. Okay? समझ में आ गया? So now let's proceed further. Yeah. So here this is x is global. So throughout this function and next function, next if you have some more definition, there also it is accessible. And if you look at x equal to 8, what is the right side value of x? R value is 8. Right hand side, a variable का value कितना है? 8. Okay, so L value refers to the left side of the assignment operator. R value refers to the right side of the. Are you able to see my screen, ma'am? So what is the L value? What is the R value? L value is left side of assignment. R value is right side. So now what is L value in this statement? Tell me. Akshar, what is L value? What is in this statement? Akhila, can you answer? Yes, ma'am. Amount equal to 390. उसमें L value क्या है? वो R value क्या है?
Ma'am, actually your video got paused and there was no audio coming from your side for some time.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am, now it was okay, but when you were explaining that L
okay,
value
fine.
and R
So
value.
now you tell me, Akila, in this statement, amount equal to 390. What is L value? What is R value? What is L value? What is R value? L value is amount. R value is 390. Okay, ma'am. So now tell me here, Ayush, tell me x equal to 25. In this, what is L value? What is R value?
Ma'am, L value will be X and R value will be 25.
25. Very good. Next, x equal to Python. Shivam, what is L value? What is R value? Akshat, what is L value? What is R value? X equal to Python mean. X is the L value, Python is the R value. Got it, children? So data of a variable, this X value, now it is given 25. So automatically it is which type? Tell me what type of data this value is of which, what type, children? Integer. So automatically X type is integer type. Next, X equal to Python. Python is string. So X will be string type. Now programmer should be aware that, see, we should not try why now, because Python ना, Python को divide कर सकते हैं, Python को by 5 से divide कर सकते हैं. Tell me, children. Okay. So now see, X equal to, then I have written. Okay, ma'am. So now X by 5, how much will get? Error. Because we can do this division operation only on integers. Suppose x का value 123 हो गया. Now x by 5 कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? Got it? So type x, same x का ही variable का हमने क्या किया? Value change किया. Now what type of value? What type of variable it is? Integer type. Suppose now if I have done hello. So now what type of variable it is? What type of variable x is? String type. आ गई समझ में? वैसे based on the value we give to that variable, that data type automatically changes. This is known as dynamic change हो रहा है ना? So dynamic typing. Is it clear, children? Next, we have constants. Okay, so literal is that value, whereas constant is, if you want to create a constant, then we have to import a module known as constant. Okay, so in reality we cannot create constants in Python, just we name them as a constant. Okay, generally constants का capital letters में डाल देते हैं, ठीक है, याद रखना. So this is also variable only, pi is also, but in general we use capital letters to distinguish them from normal literals to constants. Like pi is a constant, forever it is constant, na? Like gravitational acceleration due to gravity is a constant, Euler's constant. So many constants are there, my children. Avogadro's number. Okay, some you are having some constants. No, those constants, how do we define? By importing constant and by using capital letters. Clear? So how do you distinguish universal constants from the regular constant value, regular literals in Python? We use capital letters. आ गई समझ में? So we use capital letters to distinguish normal variable from a constant. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? So now let's go proceed. Yeah. So this, yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
that three inverted commas you put, no, ma'am?
Inverted commas for the
Comma.
string values. See, name is a variable. Name का value आयुष हो सकता है. So value के लिए हम inverted commas डालते हैं. Yes, ma'am. Tell me, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, if I try to run my program, it's not running only.
Double quotes डाला है कि single quotes डाला है?
Ma'am, single quote.
Single quote से शुरू किए तो single quote से end करना.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am. Shall I share my screen?
Yeah, share.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, do students also have to come to 2 p.m. ma'am?
But no need, like, you have cross-checked every detail. Everything is perfectly all right. I asked you to cross-check with your 10th class marks copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and all other caste certificate, everything, whatever relevant documents, everything you have cross-checked. So once you have cross-checked, when I need a parent signature on the hard copy. So this is the hard copy I have. Okay, on this, I need parent signature.
Ma'am, here, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
If I try to run the program, it's not running.
Break. See, you have started the multi-line comment, Ayush. If से पहले. Before if you have started multi-line comment, na triple quote डाला है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 3 inverted commas. Where have you ended it?
Not ended, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now it's working fine.
No, ma'am. 1 second. It's not executing only. Like nothing is happening on my screen if I run.
Okay, fine. So A equal to input number. Yeah, S equal to input enter. Print के बाद space क्यों छोड़ा है आपने?
Here, ma'am.
Delete that space. Yeah, now execute. Not equal to में exclamation mark बेटा, colon नहीं.
Here.
Exclamation. That is keyboard में 1 के shift 1.
That's what I have done.
Okay, equal to end. Okay, continue. Yes, yes, execute now.
No, ma'am. It's not happening.
Your idle is proper.
Yeah.
Just press F5, no?
I'm pressing F5, ma'am.
Where, ma'am? You share your screen.
I was sharing, ma'am. The whole thing went off. Ma'am, I'll tell again if I have a doubt.
Yeah, okay, okay. So then we'll proceed here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now constants. Then print is for what? To display something. Okay, अगर number को print करना है तो no need of single quotes or inverted commas, double quotes, single quotes कुछ नहीं चाहिए. If you want to separate multiple values, if you want to display multiple values, what is the separator? You can use sep equal to. What is the terminator? You can use end equal to. ठीक है बेटा? See, for example, I'll show you here.
Ma'am, your screen sharing is not visible.
Now it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, what am I doing is, ओके सो SCP इज सेपरेटर कंप्यूटर को साइंस को एंड से सेपरेट करो एंड सम स्पेस आल्सो बिटवीन प्रीसीडिंग एंड लीडिंग ओके लीडिंग एंड ट्रेलिंग स्पेस देन कंप्यूटर साइंस को ऐसे सेपरेट करो terminate with a dot that is ending should be a dot then now let's execute and see this is separator wala na so SCP now you can see no and तो हमने ये दोनों वैल्यूज के बीच में नहीं डाला फाइनली so now see computer science okay with Python okay so is fun I'm writing like this. Then what will happen? Every word, that is, every word means every string. This is one string, and this is another string, and this is another string, then this is another string. Okay, these four are separated by and you will get. Now let me show you. Got it? So computer and science and with Python and is fun. आगे समझ में? So separation of values, see this one value, this two value, comma के बाद comma से हमने separate कर दिया ना. So all these should be displayed with a separator, whatever the separator we have given. Okay, and then suppose if you want to terminate, end में dot आना चाहिए. So what must be the end? It is not the new line character. It is end is a dot. You all can see. Okay, आगे समझ में? Right. So separator and terminator. End is a terminator. Okay, ma'am. So now let's proceed to our this data types also. What are all the data types? Number type we have done. Integers we have done. Floating point numbers we have done. String type we have done. And then Boolean values. While true we have used. True. Okay. Boolean is true, false. Then list type, tuple type, set type, dictionary type. Okay, so there are all the data types. No, they are fully categorized into two kinds. What are those two kinds? Mutable data types and immutable. Mutable मतलब आप mute कर सकते हैं, unmute कर सकते हैं, है ना? So mutable मतलब what do you mean by mutable? Ayush, tell me what do you mean by mutable? What do you mean by mutable, Ayush?
We can either mute it or unmute it.
Unmuted. That means the ability to change value is mutable. Okay, ma'am? So the ability, mutable data type can change its state or content is mutable, whereas immutable में वैसे नहीं कर सकते हैं. It is immutable. We cannot mute it. We cannot unmute it. We cannot change its contents. Is it clear to everyone? Yes? Manshinder, what is mutable? What is immutable? Tell me, beta. Manshinder.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what is mutable? What is immutable?
Mutable.
Where are you? Are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Priyanshu, batao beta, what is mutable? What is immutable? Mutable is value of a variable. If we have the ability to change that type of data is mutable data. Mutable data type. Okay. अगर मतलब म्यूट कर सकते हैं, अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं, then it is mutable. We can change its state, we can change its content, then it is mutable. Otherwise, it is immutable. Clear? अब मनशिंदर बता देगा what is mutable and what is immutable. Mutable data type can change its state or contents, children. See, for example, see x equal to 10. एक बार हमने x का वैल्यू 10 दे दिया, इधर हमने दे दिया ना, so x equal to 10. बाद में हमने x को चेंज कर दिया कि नहीं, x equal to Python कर दिया ना, so right, so now this x value can be changed or not? Yes or no? Have we changed x value from
ma'am.
one type to another type? Are
Yes,
yaar?
ma'am.
Yes. Sahil, can you see my screen? Are you able to change or not? So this x is normal integer. This
Yes,
x is normal variable, right? Integer variable. Now it has become a string variable. That value can be changed. See, for example, if I have a list of items 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a list. Square bracket जब use करते हैं. Now x का मैं ना 0th value को change कर दिया, मतलब 10 कर दिया. Now if I print x value, what do I get? You can see 10, 2, 3, 4. 0 a 0th index है, a first index, second index, third index. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? वैसे ही नेगेटिव इंडेक्स मतलब इधर से शुरू किया तो लास्ट में से दिस इज -1 इंडेक्स, -2, -3, -4. How many values are there? That is the size of that data variable. Okay, size of this
ma'am,
list.
can you repeat?
Yeah. So x is a list here, children. It is not a single integer. It is a collection of integers. So list is mutable. मतलब इसमें किसी वैल्यू हम चेंज कर सकते हैं. So x 0 10 कर सकते हैं. अगर हमारे पास एक टपल है, okay, tuple can be like separated by commas only, values within the parenthesis. So it is a tuple. You can see the type of A. What type of data it is? Tuple. Okay. Now if you look at the type of X, whatever the recent value we have given based on that, it is a list. Now if I try to change value of 0th index में जो भी value था ना, so A का 0th index का value बदलना चाहते हैं, 34 कर दिया. What happened? What happened? Tuple object does not support item assignment. We cannot change. Is it clear? Change the content of tuple, whereas we can change the content of list, dictionary, set, byte array. These are mutable data types, whereas immutable data type int, float, complex, string, tuple, frozen set. Okay, so these are the immutable data types. Say x equal to 10, print. Okay, so both. Yeah, one more thing I want to show you. See here, x value हमने change किया, but now okay, so now x value का id देखते हैं. id मतलब memory location क्या होगा, ठीक है? So now what is the memory location of x? Sorry, आ गया. So now let me change the value to 10. Now let me check the id of x only, but what is its value? देखा, ये दूसरी जगह पे है, ये दूसरी जगह पे है, मतलब x is not referring to the same location. That means both are different locations, means it is immutable. आ गए समझ में? So mutability can be checked with id method. Okay, if id of the both statements is different, then it is immutable. If id of both statements is same, then it is mutable. What are the numbers in Python? Integer, floating point, complex number. Complex है ना, u plus iv फॉर्म में लिखते हैं ना इन मैथ्स में, ठीक है? सो डेसिमल आएगा तो उसको फ्लोट में फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट नंबर बोलते हैं, ठीक है? कॉम्प्लेक्स वेरिएबल सी रियल पार्ट एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट. Okay, so suppose if you want to have a complex number, a is equal to complex of okay 5 comma 6 comma 5. So then
Ma'am, can you please scroll down, ma'am? Ma'am, can you scroll down?
so now you can I'll just execute this one. Yeah, so if you want to create one complex number C, so what is the method we use? Complex also we can use, or directly also we can write. So now if I display C, what is that? 6 plus 7j. Again, so 6 is the real part and 7 is the imaginary part value. Complex number has real part and imaginary part, no? Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no. So now if you want to give a value directly, a is equal to 7 plus 8j, वैसे भी दे सकते हैं, ठीक है. So now ये को डिस्प्ले करो, आ गई समझ में, ठीक है. Either we can use a complex function or directly also we can give a complex number in the format of real plus imaginary followed by a letter j, small letter j. Okay ma, is it clear? So that is a complex number. Strings to either single quotes or double quotes. If you want multi-line string, then triple quotes, three single quotes or 3 double quotes. Next we have boolean. Okay, boolean मतलब true or false. जैसे while में true डाला है ना, if x percentage 2 equal to 0, then what did we get? Print even. कर दिया ना. So that is a boolean value. That result is a boolean value. So that will be either true or false. You can see no, false. True is a boolean value. Next list, just now I have shown you list and tuple. Then set. Set is set of values. Just like you see, even if we have repeated values in a set. Okay, ma. So then what will happen? Only now if I display set 1, what will happen? Only once that those repeated values will be taken. In maths also sets are there, no children. Do you have sets or not? In 10th standard, 9th standard. Yeah. Sets
Yes,
में अगर
Yes,
repetition हो गया तो that repetition may be ignored.
Is counted only once.
Only once. Okay. So then dictionary क्या होता है? Key value pair होता है. What is dictionary? Key value. So in this, see what is the key? Subject is the key, and then print. Okay, I'll just write in the interactive mode. Directly we can write the variable. It will print. But in the script mode, print you have to use it. So now dict का हमको चाहिए only keys. Dict dot keys. Okay, so now what are the keys? You can see subject is the key, class is the key. What are the values? एक बार subject हो गया computer science, एक बार class हो गया 11th, and next time also we can have one more subject like that. Also you can prepare a list of dictionaries also. Okay, ma. So and then what is the value of subject? How do I get dict? With the subject. This key, if I pass, I'll get the value. S is capital, no? So we have to use the same. Got it? So subject का value क्या है? Computer science आ गया. So dict का within square brackets, if we give the key, we will get the value, corresponding value. Okay, children. Suppose if you want to get the key of a value, then get method we should use. Which method we should use, children? Get method. If you know the value, but you want to know the key. So which method to be used in dictionary? Get method. Get 11. Wait a minute. Sorry, if you method we use class. What is the class? Yeah, either we can use square brackets and the key, or we use get method and the key to get the value. Is it clear, children? Okay. So the process of converting one type to another type is type conversion. जैसे कि हमने किया ना, input enter number, जो भी हम एंट्री करते हैं वो स्ट्रिंग टाइप में है. वो सबको हमने क्या किया, पूरा इनपुट स्टेटमेंट का और एक ब्रैकेट में डाल के इसके आगे इंट लिखा है, मतलब क्या कर रहे हैं, वी आर कन्वर्टिंग इट इनटू इंटीजर टाइप, सो दैट इज एक्सप्लिसिटली वी आर मेंशनिंग, ओके, से एक्सप्लिसिट टाइप कन्वर्शन बोलते हैं, ठीक है। सो वो एक टाइप से दूसरे टाइप में, से इंट डाल के ब्रैकेट डाल के उसके अंदर वो स्ट्रिंग को कन्वर्ट करना है, ठीक है। सो दिस इज एक्सप्लिसिट टाइप कन्वर्शन। ऑटोमेटिक कब होता है, जब एक्सप्रेशन में मल्टीपल टाइप्स ऑफ वैल्यूज आते हैं। सी फॉर एग्जांपल a is equal to 5 plus 6.7 star 9 is there. So what is the type of a? Automatically the result will be floating point value, children, because one of the value is floating point, highest type is floating point, okay ma. So इसलिए automatic conversion हो जाता है entire result, okay. So that is implicit. Explicitly if you want to, so int of a, okay, print, I just want to print only integer part of that, got it children. So only 65, otherwise if I print a, what do I get, 65 point whatever the result I got, okay. So but only integer portion I have converted it into integer data type and bracket में वो डालना है. So implicit type conversion, explicit में हमको mention करना पड़ेगा, implicit में mention करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है, ठीक है children. So now program execution में compile time में error आता है, run time में error आता है, and then we have logical error. So tomorrow I'll be continuing with these two topics children. Conditional already we have done, for loop we will be doing tomorrow. See if else, if we have done or not. Yes or no children? If else statement या if के अंदर if, okay, वो सब कल करेंगे, ठीक है. Tomorrow 8:30 my class is there, no, so then we will be, yeah, we will be completing up to this 10th chapter children.
Ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am, this thing it started executing, but it says syntax error for continue.
Yeah, okay, fine. Can you can share? So now it is 1:40. I'll wind up here. Okay, those who are having will be there, and those who are not having any doubt, you can leave. Yeah, take good care, children. God bless you all. Ayush, you can share your screen.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, school, where should we come?
You come to that where you have paid fees, no admission time there. There only, okay. So
Office, ma'am.
ऑफिस नहीं, एडमिशन टाइम पे फीस का काउंटर डाल के उधर काउंटर में किया था ना फीस.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so that side, your ground side, if you move, no, after science park you will be moving towards the ground, no, chill. There your down commerce class is there, and then science class is there, no, 11th. That class only through window you can give. Okay, chill. Yeah. So Ayush, yes ma'am, you share your screen.
I'm sharing, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see?
Yes ma'am, I can see. Can you zoom little bit?
Yes, ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, now?
Yeah, it's fine. So now while true, a equal to int input. ये if को क्यों इतना इंडेंटेशन डाला है? ये इनपुट का स्टॉप, इनपुट लाइन में s इक्वल टू इनपुट, n टू स्टॉप का क्लोज करो, पैरेंथेसिस, yes, एंटर, delete, delete. If should come to the just below s. एंड में कोलन, s नॉट इक्वल टू एंड में कोलन, 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 कोलन.
1 second, ma'am.
कोलन डाल के एंटर दबाना. डिलीट, प्रेस डिलीट की, एंटर. हाँ, नाउ एंड में जाना, कंटिन्यू का एंड में, हाँ, क्लिक डिलीट, डिलीट, डिलीट.
It's not happening. That's all.
Delete, delete, delete. Press delete key. Yeah. Now press enter. Now else is there. Delete. Enter. Yes. Now execute. Execute हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay ना? Okay बेटा? Yes. As long as you do not enter end, it will continue.
Yes, ma'am.
हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, आगे समझ में सबको? Yes. Now we will leave end here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.